Now let's look at another statute. This is Session 3, 41st Congress, Chapter 99, page 433 and 1871, Chapter XCIX. Okay, so this is to make an act, to amend an act approved May 31, 1870, entitled An Act to Enforce the Rights of Citizens of the United States to vote in the several states of this union and for other purposes. So, this act was to allow the people in the military to vote. Okay, so this was giving the military people the right to vote, or acknowledging that they had the right to vote, in this case, amending a previous act. Okay, and who passes this? The states, all of the states, as a confederated Congress. Confederated means firm league of friendship, but it also means with a federation, confederation. So they come together and they pass a law allowing something to happen. So something that's not already in the Constitution doesn't have to be amended, but the Constitution is a set of things that the federal government can do on federal lands and that the states won't interfere with. But if there's an issue and the states come together and they say, well, we're going to allow this, or we're going to acknowledge that this was already a right because there seems to be some problem with it, then the states come together in the United States of America in Congress assembled, and they acknowledge that people on federal lands or people in the military, the United States, have some kind of right to do something. So that section 20 of the um, Act to enforce the rights of citizens of the United States to vote in the several states of this union and for other purposes. So and be it further enacted that if any registration of voters for an election of representatives or delegate in the Congress of the United States, so this is a different Congress. So we have one Congress here of the United States of America and Congress assembled, and then we have another Congress, the Congress of the United States. So we have a states Congress, the United States of America, that's the states Congress, and then we have sort of a quasi-military justice, civilian justice system, federal Congress. It's really a military Congress and a civilian or mixed justice system of the United States. So in Congress of the United States, we know we have both because they're both in the Articles of Confederation. The Articles of Confederation were never repealed, never replaced. You can't repeal or replace the thing that makes you. So the thing that is made cannot repeal or replace the thing that made it. It's moronic to think something like that. It's silly. And the United States Constitution never repealed or replaced the state constitution, because that would be in essence repealing the thing that made it, because the states make up the United States of America, and the United States of America made the United States. So if you're going to repeal each state constitution, you're repealing the thing that made you, and that can't happen. You can't repeal the individually state by state, and you can't repeal it nationally, the Confederation of States. So there's no way in any legal or lawful sense that the United States can do away with the thing that made it, the United States of America or individual states.